welcome back to my channel. Today, basically, I'm too cheap to buy art for my house, and because it's so expensive, and I really wanted a Jackson Pollock, and they're so expensive, and I just don't want to spend that amount of money on a piece of art. So instead, I went to Hobbycraft. I bought a massive canvas. It's 100 centimeters by 150. And I got a load of testing pots of paint, Valspar paint from B&Q. If you're watching in America, that is Home Depot. And some super cheap paintbrushes. So this is basically a video of how I DIY'd my own Jackson Pollock. If anyone's interested, I've just set up an Etsy shop, so I think I might list a few of them. So if you're interested in buying any from me, then please take a look. But it's super easy to do yourselves, so just have a crack. I mean, if you mess it up, what have you lost? 20 quid? So this is the end product. I'm super happy with it. Obviously I'll show you what it looks like on the wall when I get it hung, but I'm letting it dry for now because there's some pretty big blotches, and as you can see, they're taking a while to dry. It's been about nearly 24 hours now. For anyone interested, I used these little pots of paint. It's just silk interior Valspar paint. The cool thing is you can get it mixed to whatever color you want, and then they ran out of black, so I just got some of this wall paint and I mixed it with water because it was a bit thick to start with, but yeah, this is it, and I'll let you know, well, I'll show you what it looks like on my wall. This is the finished product. I'm so happy with it. I really wasn't, well, I didn't know what to expect, to be honest, but I'm so happy with it. It looks so good in the room. Ignore my lack of lights. But yeah, it's an excellent first wall addition. So I'm very happy with it, considering it cost me about 30 quid.